How many variables are there here? X, Y, Z equals to constant matrix 6, 10, mu. So after writing the given system of equations into matrix form, write what is A, what is B, and then also write what is augmented matrix. What is augmented matrix here? Write the matrix A 1 1 1 1 2 3 1 2 lambda, and also add B as extra column 6 10 mu. Now we want to check the consistency of this system of equations. For that, we want to reduce matrix AB into echelon form. Augmented matrix is to be reduced into echelon form again. Write the matrix here 1 1 1 1 2 3 1 2 lambda 6 10 mu 6 10 mu. So this matrix is having symbols. Even it has symbols, we want to apply raw operations and reduce it into echelon form. What are the diagonal elements? 1 2 lambda. So we want to convert elements below the principal diagonal into zeros. So what are the raw operations? R2 changes into R2 minus R1, R3 changes into R3 minus R1. See, all the first position numbers are ones, so simple row operations. So that reduces matrix into first row no change, second row R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, R2 minus 1 R1, 10 minus 6 4, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, lambda minus 1, write as it is, lambda minus 1, mu minus 6. Is it in echelon form? Is this matrix in echelon form? No, this matrix is not in echelon form. So we want to reduce one more element into 0. What is that element? This element. So this is in the second position. So reduce this into echelon form, we have to use R2, second diagonal element. So second diagonal element is in R2. So use R2 and write the raw operation. R3 changes into, both are once again. So simple equation, simple row operation, R3 minus R2. So this changes into, the matrix changes into, we are changing R3, we are changing third row. So first and second row you can write as it is. And third row changes, calculate the changes. 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, lambda minus 1 minus 2, lambda minus 3, mu minus 6 minus 4, mu minus 10. Yes. We have reached the stage where we need to discuss about consistency of the system of equations, because this matrix is in echelon form. Okay. So what we have to do now? In this there are two numbers in the echelon form, lambda and mu. We have to identify the values of lambda and mu so that system has no solution, system has unique solution, system has infinitely many solutions. So let us see one by one. When system has no solution, that is my question. When a system has no solution, What is the answer? The answer is when rank of A not equals to rank of AB, system has no solution. So, if you consider these three columns, this is A. If you consider the entire matrix, that is AB. So, if I want no solution, if I want no solution, rank of A should not be equals to rank of AB. So, what are the possibilities? Let us discuss the possibilities. Suppose lambda equals to 3, then this becomes 0. Okay. And this is also mu equals to 10 becomes 0. If both are 0, both A and AB will have same rank. I don't want that. I want rank of A not equals to rank of AB. What is the possibility? Other possibility? I will make this element into 0. I will keep this non-zero. What happens? If this position is non-zero, if that position is non-zero, both A and AB will have same non-zero number of rows. So, both will have same rank, which is not the required one. So, what we have to make? We have to see that this place is 0, this place is non-zero. That means when lambda equals to 3 and mu equals to 10, lambda equals to 3, mu equals to 10, then rank of A, what happens to rank of A? Lambda is 3, so lambda minus 3 becomes 0. So, if this element becomes 0 and you consider only first 3 columns, rank of A becomes, last row becomes 0. So, rank of A becomes 2. And rank of AB becomes 3. Why it is becoming 3? So, I want this not to be 0. So, I will write not equals to 0 here. Mu not equals to 0. So, when mu not equals to 10, mu minus 10 not equals to 0. So, it will be a non-zero row, rank of AB will be 3. So, I will choose lambda is 3, mu not equals to 10. So, then rank of A becomes 2, rank of AB becomes 3. So, this gives us no solution. Okay? Let us write AB again. Zero, 0, lambda minus 3, mu minus 10. When system will have no solution, already we answered that. System will have no solution if rank of A is different from rank of AB. For achieving that, we made lambda minus 3 into 0. I want to reduce this into 0 and we made mu minus 10 not equals to 0. So, then rank of A became 3 and rank of AB became 2 and rank of AB became 3. So, system has no solution. Now, I want unique solution. I want unique solution. When system will have unique solution? When system will have unique solution? Rank of A should be rank of AB and both of their values should be equals to number of variables. What are the number of variables here? Here the number of variables are 3. So, rank of A should be 3, rank of AB should be 3, then only system has unique solution. When we get rank of A as 3, when we will get rank of AB as 3? Answer me. So, if lambda equals to 3, then what happens to this place? Becomes 0. If it becomes 0, these 3 elements becoming 0, rank becomes 2. I don't want rank 2. I want rank is 3. So, lambda not equals to 3. Similarly, mu. What value we can take for mu? Once if lambda is not equals to 3, this position is becoming non-zero. Then there is no need to bother about this. If it is 0 or if it is non-zero, don't bother about fourth position. Once a third position is non-zero, both A and AB will have same rank. If the third position, why it is so? If you consider 3 columns, that is matrix A. If you consider all the 4 columns, that is matrix AB. Okay. If the third position is 0, in matrix A, last row becomes 0. This is not there, only 3 columns. For A, we have only 3 columns. If this becomes 0, in matrix A, last row becomes 0. And if this becomes 0, in AB also, last row becomes 0. If this position is non-zero, then A has 3 non-zero rows. What is about AB? Irrespective of the value of mu, whatever the value of mu you take, as this is non-zero, third position is non-zero, the entire row becomes non-zero. So, rank of AB also becomes 3. So, what value we have to take for mu? Any value. For any value of mu, for any value of mu, AB also will have rank 3. Mu any value, mu AB any value. Then what happens then? Rank of A becomes 3, rank of AB becomes 3, number of variables also becomes 3. So, therefore, system has unique solution. The last case, when the system has infinitely many solutions, when it will have? Rank of A should be equals to rank of AB, but not equals to number of variables. So, number of variables are 3 here. Rank of A, rank of AB should be equal, but should not be equals to 3. What is the possibility? If it is not equals to 3, next possibility is both are equals to 2. Both rank of A and rank of AB must be equals to 2. Okay. So, for that, infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions we will have if lambda equals to 3 and mu equals to 10. What happens if lambda equals to 3? This position becomes 0. So, rank of A becomes 2. If mu equals to 10, this also becomes 0. So, entire AB last row becomes 0. So, rank becomes 2. Both have same rank. So, system is consistent. But n equals to 3. So system has how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. So this is the problem in which we are discussing about all the criteria of consistency, and we are finding values of lambda and mu so that system has all possible choices like no solution, infinitely many solutions, unique solution. See once again, we have given a problem like this. We have written the equations into matrix form, and then we have written augmented matrix. After writing the augmented matrix, we reduced the augmented matrix into echelon form by row operations. After reducing the augmented matrix into row operations, the last row is like this: 0, 0, lambda minus 3, mu minus 10. So now we have to identify the values of lambda and mu for different options. So first option is no solution. When system has no solution, rank of A must not be equals to rank of AB. So when you are thinking of A, only you can think about 3 columns. Forget the fourth. You hide the fourth column. So when you are only having 3 columns, and its rank should be different from entire matrix AB. So what is the possibility? Rank of A should be 2, rank of AB should be 3. So it is possible if lambda equals to 3 and mu not equals to 10. So when lambda equals to 3, mu not equals to 10, rank of A becomes 2, rank of AB becomes 3. So both are different, no solution. Similarly, when lambda not equals to 3, this position becomes non-zero. So rank of A will become 2, rank of AB also becomes 2. Both ranks are same, but they are not equals to the number of variables. When this is not equals to, when lambda not equals to 3, this becomes non-zero. So rank of A becomes 3, rank of AB also becomes 3. So system has 3 variables, therefore system has unique solution. When lambda equals to 3 and mu equals to 10, all the 2 elements of the last row becomes 0. So A and also AB will have rank 2, and both the ranks are same, but they are not equals to number of variables. So system has infinitely many solutions. In this way, the given problem is completed. Thank you.